I'm Dan Carlson, one half of Two Cat Men, and I'm here to unbox something that's kind of interesting. I've been watching a lot of Galaxy's Edge videos lately, being the Star Wars fanatic that I am. And one of the cool things that they sell there that they don't sell anywhere else is a exclusive edition of Coca Cola products. And I ordered one from eBay, and I'll be opening it right now. Okay, so what's in the box? I just kind of told you what's in the box, but always kind of want to say that when I'm opening stuff. Pull my label off the top here. Some more of that tape off. Very well packaged. I did not expect it to come in a box. I thought it was going to be a, especially with the free shipping I got. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wrapped in paper. Very well wrapped, it looks like. Seems heavier than I thought it would be. I don't want to make too much of a mess here. Wow. It's actually fairly heavy. And let's crack this open. Oh, it's a... So it came in a Ziploc bag, similar to the ones that we use at work. As you can see, it's shaped like a thermal detonator from Return of the Jedi. And it has the word Sprite written in Orabesh on the front here. The lid looks like the top of a thermal detonator. Then we have nutrition facts on the back. And I'll be emptying this and filling it with beverages to take to work with me tomorrow. So if you're interested in something like this, I think you can get you can head over to eBay and you should be able to find one. I had a coupon, so I got mine a little cheaper. They're running around $15 to $20 online. So again, this is Dan Carlson, one half of Two Cat Men.